Hello cuties! Today we're going to learn about vehicles with these puzzles. Can we play this game? We need bus now. Where is the bus? Yes, here it is. Bus. Next, police car. Where is police car? Yes, here it is. Police car. Next is train. Where is train? Yes, here it is. Train. Next, truck. Search with me. Yes, here it is. Truck. Next, fire engine. Yes, here it is. Fire engine. Next, ambulance. Yes, here it is. Ambulance. Next, bicycle. Super, you found it. Bicycle. Next, ship. Super, here it is. Ship. Next is helicopter. Yes. Helicopter. Super. Bus. Police car. Train. Ambulance. Fire engine. Truck. Bicycle. Ship. Helicopter. These are the vehicles. Super, you done it. Bye bye.
If you like this video, like